Hey everyone, welcome to CryptoWeeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about Solana and its base case, bear case, and bull case scenario going forward till Bitcoin halving, that is in uh, April 2024. And we'll do a monthly average forecast for each month starting October 2023 till April 2024. And we'll be using AI technique ARIMA, LSTM, Z-score, and standard deviation to forecast the base case, bull case, and the bear case for Solana. So let's get started. The price on the chart on your screen is color coded. That's the monthly average price for Solana Sol token, and it's color coded from dark green to dark red. Based on the z-score, which is a metric of how far is the monthly price for any month away from the average price for the entire time series in terms of standard deviation. If the monthly price, let's say in December 2020, the monthly price for Sol at a monthly average was $1.6, and that was substantially lower than the average for the entire time series. I believe the time series average is around $14. So in terms of standard deviation, it was 0.77 standard deviation away from the average for the entire time series. Similarly, in November 2021, with the price at $223, the price was 3.2 standard deviation away from the mean, and that's where the color code was dark red. So it's a diverging color scale, and if you make a note of this 3.2 standard deviation z-score at the parabolic rally stage, that would be of great help for future bull markets, because we have seen that in the past bull run, most of the altcoins had a z-score of around 3, 2.5 to 3.5 during its blow off top phase, and one might use that z-score to forecast potential bull market returns in the next bull run at a lower z-score, because that's what we have seen Bitcoin and other older cryptos do. So for example, if it in the first run it had a blow off top at 4 standard deviation, in the second it would have second market cycle bull run, it would have blow off top at 3 standard deviation z-score, and in the third one it would have a blow off top at 2.5. So something along those lines, and we will update you once we are in that phase in the bull run. So stay tuned on this channel also. It would be a good idea to subscribe to the channel to and give this video a like to stay updated of the content presented by the channel. So with all of that in mind, let's discuss the base case for Sol. And as you can see, the color the colors are in dark light green to dark green territory, with the price of around 20 to 25 dollars ever since the FTX news came, and uh, the, the the price kind of rebalanced in January 2023. So right now in that we are in August, for the price for the last month of August was $22. In we are in late stages of September. So let's see what the AI based forecast tells. The forecasts are in blue, whereas the actuals are in green. So you can see that the forecast that we have been making since April have been tracking actuals fairly closely, although there is slight divergences. Sometimes the actuals are slightly higher than forecast, and at other times forecasts are slightly higher than the actuals. So that's why we didn't feel the need to uh, make a substantial change to the model, just updated it with recent values. And let's check if with those values, with those updates to the model, what does the AI based forecast tell have a story for Solana. So in September of 2023, that is the current month, the forecasted price is at $20.51. That is the monthly average, and this is not financial, this is use of historical data to forecast future price action using AI technique. So so for September, the AI based forecast was $20.51. For October, it's at $15, which is again kind of challenging these lows that were created in June 2023 time frame. uh, in October, per the AI model, In November, the forecast is at $11.30, which is again challenging the lows that were created during the FTX saga of 2020 to November-December time frame. And per the AI model, Sol will have a monthly average new low sometime in November, because the last low at a monthly average level, though we went the Sol token at a daily level went below $8 or $7 at a daily level, but at a monthly average level the lows were at 12.5 USD. So per this AI model, in November the lows would be would be around $11.30. This is a base case. In December it's $13, in January $16. You can see the recovery happening towards the beginning of 2024. February is at $17.50, March at $24, and April at $20. So kind of like a crash till the lows that were created in December 2022, sometime in November December time frame 2023, and then a V-shaped recovery. That's the base case for Sol per the model. The bull case for Sol is, uh, again, this is a uh, scenario where where it would need some assumptions, such as the macroeconomic outlook is not as bearish as it was in 2022. Also, there wouldn't be any substantial recession related risk. So under those assumptions, these are the following are the AI based forecast for this bullish case. For September is at 23 cents, sorry, $23, October at $18, November at $14.50, again slightly lower than June 2023, but not challenging these lows of December 2022. So slightly higher low from that perspective, um, uh, from December 2022 perspective at around $14.50, and then essentially rallied till February 2024, March 2024 at around $26, and uh, April at $22. So similar path, but a higher valuation than the base case. That's the bull case. Around $15, around $15 bottoming sometime in November December time frame. That's the bull case. The third case is as exactly opposite of the bull case is, what if the base case gets pulled down, or has a crash to the downside because of the macroeconomic outlook being more bearish than the base case. So instead of a multiplier to the upside, this is a multiplier to the downside. What could happen in really in a potential recession scare? This is the AI based forecast in that scenario. For October, for September it was 14.5, but we didn't see any recession related major risk. But if let's say in November we do encounter that, then per the AI model, in that recession related or bear market related scenario, the forecast for Sol is at around $8.70, which is substantially lower than the December valuation, 2022 valuation. But again, as I said, it would require those criterias in the macro environment, and that bearish sentiment to happen. So if under that assumption, these are the forecasts in the November 2023 time frame, in the extreme recessionary trend. um, the forecast by the AI model is at around less than $5, $4.94.91. December is at $6, so January $10, February $12, March at $19, and April at again almost $19. So I'll just summarize it. The base case is form the uh, form or double bottom around the December 2022 lows around November 23 December 23 time frame. Bull cases have a higher low than the December 2022 uh, bottom, but slightly lower than June 2023 bottom. And the third case is the bear case, where the salt token takes out the lows created in December 2022 in October November time frame, and also crashes beyond that point by around 50% more more than 50% at around $5, and then rally back to the current valuation before the Bitcoin halving. So if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. The channel is all about AI based forecast for top cryptos, at least the top 100 cryptos by market cap. And if you also are interested in looking at other altcoins, I have a separate playlist for altcoins, which and their AI based forecast for the next 5 or 6 months. So do check them out as well. And I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.